And tonight's Women's Doctor, no one wants to have surgery, right? The large incisions and the long recovery process. It's no thank you for most people, but technology is changing all of that. As 11 News anchor Lacey Griffith explains, advances in robotic surgery are getting women in and out quickly for surgeries like a hysterectomy.
For Beverly Segal, she waited to decide when was the right time for her to get a hysterectomy.
I just wasn't ready. I was like 60 when I had spoken to him, and we talked about the procedure, and I was still teaching and had a very active life, and decided that wasn't the right time. And now I knew it was the right time.
Beverly was a teacher for 50 years, but this year she made the decision it was time, and knowing it wasn't going to be a major incision or recovery calmed her nerves.
I resumed my life. I was able to drive after 2 weeks. I couldn't go back to the gym, but I was able to walk, and I did that daily, and I think all that helped for my recovery.
Director of the Institute of Gynecologic Care at Mercy Medical Center, Dr. Dwight Im, says it's not an actual robot doing the work.
There is no robot. It's just a machine, and it's up to the surgeon who utilizes the machine to really perform the surgery in a very articulate, precise manner, and at the same time not give them these huge incisions. So for the patient, all they will see is small holes.
Dr. Im says this operation has come a long way.
Traditionally, they would undergo an incision in the abdomen, either up and down or transverse. So longer recovery. They're in the hospital for several days and out of work for 4 to 6 weeks.
Not anymore. Dr. Im says most patients go home within 24 hours, and he says doctors are using this kind of technology more and more when operating.
Imagine having a thyroid surgery for women with no scars, even with breast surgery. So yes, it's being utilized in just about every specialty within surgery.
Beverly says she's glad after just a month to be feeling so good.
Everything's great. I'm back seeing friends and family, and everything's good. Even went back to the pool, and all good.
Reporting in Baltimore, Lacey Griffith, WBAL TV 11 News.